Hello everyone, welcome once again to This Travel Duo. In today's video, I want to share with you guys some quick Disney World travel hacks, tips, tricks that I think will be very helpful. I'm planning to use especially on our next trip, and hopefully they'll help you on your trip. Okay, so for starters, just a quick little rundown. We're going to take almost a 2-week vacation to Disney World. We're going to have some park day. We're going to have some rest days. So another thing is that we're going to be staying 3 people in one room, 3 adults basically, and a service dog. So I figured we really are going to need to be smart about how we manage our space here. And as we all know, the resorts do not have that much closet space or drawers or anything like that. So these are things that I think will make life a lot easier, and hopefully you'll take something from this video. But let's get to it. I'm going to be looking down at my little post-it note because this is where I have everything written down, and hopefully I can be inserting pictures or videos so that you can know exactly what I'm talking about. So for starters, a clothes steamer. Yes, I know the resorts have irons and ironing boards, but especially now that it's going to be 3 ladies there, we're going to be probably all wanting to iron something at the same time. And to save time, I got this steamer. I got it on Amazon. I'll link everything down below if you guys want to go and check out that my Amazon storefront, where these are all the products that I like and that I enjoy, and you can just find them there. I've tried them. So this is the clothes steamer that I got. It's relatively affordable. It's relatively a compact size, and I actually use it here at home too, and it's come in handy. And like I said, for all those dinner reservations that we hope to have, hopefully, this would come really in handy to just kind of like steam it and give it a quick little refresher. So I got this one, and then that way one can be ironing, one can be steaming, it will be done quicker. And then another thing is these packing cubes. These packing cubes, okay, I love traveling with packing cubes because I feel that they do save space. They keep everything organized. I can arrange everything by outfits, or if I want to put my tops in one and my bottoms in another one, it just keeps everything more organized, and I do believe it frees up space in my luggage. And then these travel hangers, because that is the one thing that I don't like about the rooms, the layout. Like, it doesn't really have a lot of closet space, and it doesn't really have places to hang. So now that it's going to be more people and we're going to be staying there for longer periods of time, we're going to need more clothes. So more clothes requires more storage, and these hangers, I believe, will come in handy because, as you can see, they are foldable, first of all, and you can fit them in my luggage. I can fit them in my luggage easier without them breaking, and it'll be space saving. And then at the same time, well, what am I going to do? Where am I going to hang him? Well, I also got these collapsible or like space saving closet hangers where you can fit up to like 6 hangers in one. So that's definitely going to allow more space for all of our clothes and all of that to fit in that little closet area, quote unquote, in the room. And then another thing is the collapsible hangers. These collapsible hampers are super handy because it's going to be able to keep our dirty clothes all in their individual place. It's going to be in one area. It's not going to be all mixed up. And then I love that these have this closing mechanism thing, like it's a closed hamper, so that, you know, the aromas don't disperse around the room. So I like these. And then for packing, it makes it really easy. They do fit in my luggage, and they don't take up that much space. And then this ear travel space, because when I have my own ears that I like to buy, I buy from different shops on Etsy or different shops on Instagram. I'd rather buy these than just the ones in the park. They're different than the ones that we can find at the park, you know? So, and even when coming back from the park, I'm going to need to have somewhere to store them either way. So I got this at a craft store, and it seems like a sturdy box, and it does fit in my luggage, so that's also good. I was thinking about getting one of those cute Etsy ear containers, but it doesn't fit as many ears as this one does. This one fits plenty amount of ears, and I think it'll get them protected, and hopefully they'll arrive well, but we'll have to follow up on this at the end of our trip. Then another thing I think would be very, very handy, especially the more people that are squished in one room. We all carry our phones, we all carry our cameras, etc., different electronics, is this electrical outlet plugs. I feel this is essential because even though, you know, this just gives me an additional plugs, if I take a couple of these will allow for more availability to plug in our electronics, especially that we're vlogging, we're charging our phones, and now that the new Magic Bands have to be charged and everything, I think this is gonna be very handy. And believe it or not, this thing I have found to be very essential is this. These little tiny Disney wallets, it helps me carry only what I need and condense it. Instead of taking my huge wallet, I can take one of these and I just throw it in one of my pant pockets, or I can even just throw it in my backpack, and then it won't take so much room. And it just allows me to take my essentials like my ID, a little bit of cash, coins, my card, and that's it. And so that's why I recommend something like this. And I got these beautiful ones at, I believe it was Her Universe or Torrid, one of each, one of the other. I think it was Her Universe. And then of course, especially with vlogging or just taking family pictures, whatever, this memory card holder, I like to protect them. I like to keep them safe so that they don't break, so that they don't get damaged, because that would be the worst, is to take pictures and then realize that the memory card has become damaged. So I keep these, and they're easy, you know, lightweight. They don't weigh a lot, but they protect the memory card. So these are a must, at least in my opinion. And speaking of electronics and memory cards and whatnot, is this electronic organizer. Yeah, I need a place to put everything. I actually have two, and it's because one is for the actual travel, like in the suitcase, and then another one is for when we're actually going to the parks, where I just kind of condense depending on the day, depending on what I'm going to be needing or doing, and then that way I don't have to take that huge big pack. I just take the smaller version of it. But having this helps keep all the cords in place, all the electrical plugs and the blocks and external batteries and memory cards and everything just nice and in order, and it makes it a breeze also to take out when going through security. So just having everything condensed in one little pack, I find it makes it a lot easier when travel. But these are some very basic, easy to get things that maybe you have thought about these in the past. Have you? Let me know which ones, which if any did you find were new or that you think might be useful for your travels. I hope you did find or something in my video that could be helpful. Let me know if you did. And I think this is it for this video, and I think in the next video I'm going to be talking about what our plans are for our following trip, including what dinner reservations we're hoping to get, what are a little rough, you know, overview of our plans. And the 60 days is coming up, so I'm kind of nervous, I'm scared. But anyways, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't be afraid to subscribe. It's free, and hit that bell so that YouTube notifies you every single time that we upload a new video, especially with our new vlogs coming up shortly. And you can always find us in these social medias, usually Instagram and TikTok for myself, and then my daughter is here with her service dog in Instagram. So please follow us there to pay us a visit, say you're coming from YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I can't wait to see you at the next one. Bye.